What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to channel ANDERZÉN and welcome to day 14 of VLOGMAS. It's been a busy day of work so far and a messy one. We've been making our Super Nintendo cartridges here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how we're doing this and what we're using and how we created them. We got some Python on the left side and we got some Illustrator and Photoshop working on the right side. Let's go ahead and open up Photoshop real quick. So we're using smart objects, for those familiar, to create these mock-ups right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, double click on the layer for the smart object, hop over to the PSB file, and then I'm gonna go File, Place, Embedded, and I'm gonna go grab my Illustrator project. I don't know which one it is. Should be Aeroboy Gameplay, I think. There we go. And then I'm gonna hit Save, check mark. And let's print it up. Okay, there's our design. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. Be right back. All right, we got this thing all cut out. I was thinking about doing the clear, but let's see. Printed out some different colors I showed you guys before. I like the green a lot too. Let's compare. Green's in pretty good shape. Let's see. What do you guys think? We got this. We got this. I think my son would probably like the green a little better. Something different. We'll rock with that. Alright guys, besides that, finishing up the work day today. I got a meeting at the end of the day and I'm going to try to get out of here after that. Luckily, it looks like we got some clear weather, so I'm going to try to get home, boogie home after the meeting and get the cam solenoids resealed with the anaerobic sealant. Almost time for my meeting, then I'll be headed out of here, but wanted to show you guys this real quick. I ended up making a DTM Legends 95 little mock-up. Let me know if you guys like these, and maybe we could do something like a giveaway for these, because I was planning on doing a giveaway this month. So yeah, let me know if you guys like what you see. You can make all kinds of versions of these. I'll probably make a few and just get some samples out. So drop it down in the comments. Want one? Alright you guys, welcome back to the M119 engine bay. Today we're going to be trying to tackle the cam solenoids. I don't even know if I can get the driver's side one off without removing the power steering fluid reservoir, so I may have to tackle that on another day. Honestly maybe it's not something that I can do, to be honest. But I can do the passenger one, and I need to reseal this and replace that hose down there anyways. So maybe I'll have to save that for another day. But I can at least learn for now what needs to be done. And yeah, get things situated. Put this on here, by the way. Here we go. Alright. So yeah, let's get this one off at least, and we can kind of mess with it and reseal it. And also, shout out to my desk lamp. Best LED lamp I've ever had. But I always end up bringing it outside to work on stuff. I have my headlamp right now, but I don't know how much more battery it has, so desk lamp for the win. Alright guys, start off cracking these bolts off. They're all 5 mils, just like the distributor cap. Okay, there's one bolt out. Let's get the rest of them. Definitely want to put the sealant on these bolts as well once we're resealing everything. Alright, second bolt coming out is oily. Doesn't look like this one was sealed. The hole is starting to weep a little bit too. Not really, but a little bit. Alright, and third bolt out. Looks like it's dry. Let's go ahead and try to pop this thing off. Okay, don't know if I'm gonna have to like pry it all or if this thing will. Oh, nope, I did not. Alright, yeah, this thing ain't really sealed much anymore. But just by looking at. Oh, I didn't know that spins like that. Is this grooved at all or does it just sit anywhere? I guess it just sits anywhere. I don't think that there's any way we could get the driver's one off without undoing the power steering pump reservoir. So I am definitely not going to be going down that can of worms right now. I will have to look at the proper way to do that. But we got this one off, and now basically it's just a process of cleaning and then applying our anaerobic sealant and reinstalling. So I'm gonna wire brush this up. I'll go ahead and time lapse you guys. Alright, sorry guys, the GoPro was stuck on time lapse there for the last few clips. My son's over here playing with the RC car, but that is the end of Vlogmas Day 14. Got a little bit of work done on the M119, and we'll be able to reseal the driver's side once I get the parts for resealing power steering reservoir. So I will catch you guys on day 15 already tomorrow. That's crazy. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, peace.